Hello and welcome to DTW Tutorials. Welcome and welcome to Quick Maths class. Okay, so we have this question here. It says if 2 root x plus 2 is equal to 3 root 3, if x is greater than 0 in the equation above, what is the value of x? So we're looking for x. So what do we do? Now, this is under radicals, all right? And the best way to do this is this way. All right. So all we need to do is we just square root both sides. Let us do this. Let's square root both sides together. All right. So we have this. All right. So, oh, I'm sorry for saying square root. I don't know why I always misplace this. We square both sides, not square root. Okay. I apologize. All right. I've been treating a lot of radicals. So square root, cube roots, squares are just, on the tip of my tongue, especially the square roots. So we square both sides. Why are we doing this? Is to knock off the square root. All right. That's what we're trying to do. We're knocking off the square root. So we square both sides. So when we square this, so this should be 2 square, then also this plus this also square. And remember, when you square a square root, what happens? The square root would cancel out, and we're left with just x plus 2. And this one we square 2 square will give us what? 4. So you have 4 multiplying what? X plus 2 equal to the same thing. When we do this, it will be 3 square, then this 2 square root 2 square. And remember, when we square a square root, the square root will be cancelled out. All right, so you have 2 here, and what is 3 square? 3 square is 9, so you have 9 times 2. All right, so this will give you 18. And when you open this up, this is 4 times. Remember how to expand brackets. Okay, so this will be 4 times x, that's 4x, and 4 times 2, that will be what? 8. So from here we can now solve for x, all right, by collecting like terms. All right, so let's put the numbers, okay, just numbers alone on this side, and put the number of the variable here. Okay, so we have 4x is equal to, when we take positive 8 to this side, it becomes what? A negative 8. Do you see that? All right, so here, let me quickly just come here. So we have 4x is equal to 18 minus 8 will give us 10. And from here, to get x, we divide both sides by 4. And when you divide 10 by 4, what will you get? You get a 2.5. So our answer here is 2.5, and our right option is option C. So do you see how we got that? All you need to do is just what? Square both sides to knock off the square root, and from there you simplify to get x. All right, thank you, and see you in our next video. Don't forget that Jesus Christ is coming soon. Please do give your life to Christ, for He's the way, He's the truth, and He's the life. He's the one who's going to lead us to heaven at last, and also give us peace here on earth. All right, thank you, and see you in our next video.